Hi folks, it's Alistair here with a quick announcement. Now, I've got lots of new playful technology projects which I want to share with you, including infrared, lasers, linear actuators, and lots more things as well. And I'll carry on doing that in this channel here. But I also like other sorts of puzzles as well, so optical illusions, or paper and pen puzzles, or logic puzzles and riddles. And so I've just set up a new channel called Puzzle Pieces, and in that I'm going to be describing tutorials as to how to create those sorts of non-tech puzzles as well. So if you're interested in creating puzzles like that, perhaps you're an escape room owner, or you want to create a treasure hunt or a puzzle book like Journal 29, or maybe you're a teacher looking for ideas for activities to do in a classroom or on a work away day, something like that, please do head over to Puzzle Pieces. I'll put a link in the description below, and hopefully I'll see some of you there. Okay, cheers.